Hey fellas, when you having grounding or squeaky noise, it sound like a brake is going bad or something, and you check your brakes, or something your brake is okay. All right, maybe you don't have a 100% lifetime, but the brake is alright, and you can't figure out why it's making that squeaky noise like a metal is touching. Here's the things. A lot of times this plate is the problem. A lot of times this plate, it can be bent towards the rotor, and then when the rotor is bending, and if this plate is not properly separate, then you're gonna have that squeaky noise. And don't forget, if your brake is okay, check this plate, make sure it's not touching the rotor. Good luck, subscribe.